Today we're talking about wait a minute. Probability. Now we hear the word probability every single day. Think about when the weatherman says there's a 70% chance of rain. But what precisely are probabilities?
Probability is the likelihood that something will happen. It is a number between 0 and 1 and can be written as a percent. When you ask about something's probability, you are asking how likely is it? A large number means there's a greater likelihood, while a small number means there is a lower likelihood. For example, things that are certain have a probability of 1, or will occur with 100% probability. Think about the probability that the sun will rise tomorrow.
I'll be damned. I did it again.
The sun will definitely rise tomorrow, so we say the probability it will rise is 1, or 100%. On the opposite end of the spectrum, things that will certainly not happen have a